Hello everyone. First of all, I'd like to thank all the working members of the Anand Adarsh Vidyalaya. It's a great initiative, creating awareness about coronavirus or COVID-19. I will talk about it a little more in detail, but without taking much of your time. Anyway, my name is Sumit Gupta and I passed out from the Anand Adarsh Vidyalaya in 1994. And I work with Ministry of Housing and Urban Development in Auckland, New Zealand. So it's been a long time since I passed out, so I'm pretty old. Anyway, so COVID-19 or coronavirus, as it's known as, it's a world epidemic at this stage. Everyone's fighting their own battles. US, Europe has been the countries that have suffered the most. India is fighting really hard, and I really commend the leadership of Mr. Modi, that he has actually done a tremendous job in controlling this pandemic in India, which has a big population of 1.3 billion, I would say. On the other hand, there is no rocket science. COVID-19, there is no cure. We are still developing a cure for it. So it is imperative, it is really, really important that you stay at home. You don't want your loved ones to carry that virus. You don't want your parents to carry that virus. You don't want your loved ones to carry that virus. It is so imperative, so important that you stay at home and do not spread this virus. I know you guys are young, you want to go out, you want to feel the world, you want to stay connected socially with your friends, but unfortunately, as they say, a stitch on time saves nine, and COVID-19 is exactly like that you've got to control yourself, you've got to stay put, you've got to stay inside the house and not venture out or do anything silly that will jeopardize your loved ones. Secondly, one important thing that I would want to reiterate, it's not for the younger kids, it's more for the ones who are in senior secondary school, senior secondary classes, is find your mojo. Get doing things that you like doing, that you don't get time to do in normal day-to-day life. Cooking would be one of them, because if you're planning to go outside and study, cooking is something that you would really want to learn and practice, because you really need to get into the skill of cooking at least dal chawal for yourself, if not anything else. And secondly, whatever has been transmitted through WhatsApp, eating this, eating that, taking this medicine, taking that medicine, do not fall into that trap, because there is no cure for coronavirus. Basically, the only cure for coronavirus is to stay at home and not spread those germs. So it is very important that you just follow those instructions, follow the guidelines of your government, and stay inside. Stay inside. There is no other rule other than staying inside your house, and just avoid spreading the virus. Anyway, that's all for me, from me, and hope you guys stay home and stay healthy, and look after each other and support each other, and stay in touch with the school, because the school authorities also are really concerned about it. Thank you so much.